the Mini MX, the family fun machines for anyone who won't settle for putty. See your Yamaha dealer today. There's never been a better time to buy the better Mini machine. Yamaha, it's a better machine. Better get down to your Yamaha dealer.
Hello there, this is me and this is the first video of a series in which I plan to document the complete rebuild or restoration of my 1979 Yamaha GT80. For this project I departed from this bike which has been previously restored by myself, 15 years ago. So as it was worn down again, I decided to give it another go, this time applying all the knowledge I have been gathering through the years. I have been specially enlightened by YouTube videos of other fellas. There's a lot to learn in the internet. I consider I did a good job back then with this bike, but there were things I ignored and plenty of unavailability of spare parts and information, plus I didn't have as many tools and as much experience as I have now. These were the best pictures I took from it. All these parts were replacement, and actually the exhaust pipe, and carb too, but I will keep these because I love them, and the tank which was my first time painting with airbrush, and it resisted 15 years of fuel spilling, brushing and gene contact like if it was from factory. So for this time I am aiming for factory original, with a couple of artistic attributions, like keeping the engine upgrades which are very welcome and going for new aftermarket meters. In this series we'll take you through the process of the replacement of those for original parts, the construction of missing parts and the complete engine and frame rebuild along with some other details that hopefully are of your interest. So I hope you join me in the next video in which I will display the condition in which the bike was, as I tear it apart, and analyze each area with a critical eye.